Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Off-Road Stubby Front Bumper for Jeep's 2018 to current JL Wrangler and 2020 to current JT Gladiator. Step 1. Remove your factory bumper and fog lights. We explain how to do this in another video, linked below. Step 2. Start assembling the bumper with the left and right foam pads and the winch guard. Peel the backing off and apply it to its respective bracket. Step 3. Install the winch guard to the top 4 holes of the base with 8 M12 washers, 4 M12 hex bolts, lock washers, and nuts with a 19mm socket and wrench. Step 4. If desired, install the provided fair lead mount to the top center holes with the remaining M12 hardware and a 19mm socket and wrench. Step 5. Using this diagram, install your factory fog lights to the respective bracket using a Phillips screwdriver. Step 6. With the help of a friend, hold the bumper up to the vehicle's frame. Using all 16 M10 washers, 8 bolts, lock washers, and nuts, secure the bumper to the frame using a 17mm socket and wrench. Optional: this bumper is capable of supporting our Mako skid plate. We explain how to install it in another video, linked below. Step 7. Reconnect your factory fog lights and install your winch according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 8. Install your D-rings. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road Stubby Front Bumper.